Hi guys. We will use sum function under different scenarios. Let's say you want to add individual values scattered across different cells. In that case, you will type equal, sum, open braces, and then, you will press and hold the control key, and select values that you want to sum. When you press enter, you will get the sum of these values. Notice that in the sum function, the cell that hold these values are comma separated. If you want to modify the existing value in the sum, click here and replace the cell name, and press enter to get modified sum. Let's say you want to add a range of cells that are adjacent. To add them, type the equal sign, sum, open parenthesis, hold down the control key, and select the first range of cells by dragging your cursor. If you want to move row-wise, drag your cursor to select complete range across the adjacent row, and press enter. Now that you receive sum from cell B1 to cell C3, notice that in the sum function, the cell range is denoted as starting cell colon ending cell, which is B1 colon C3. Let's say you want to add another range of cells that is not adjacent. To add them, type the comma, hold down the control key, select the another non-adjacent range of cells by dragging your cursor, and press enter to get the sum. You can also sum numbers from different worksheets in the same workbook. For that, type the equal sign, sum, open parenthesis, hold down the control key, select the range of cells from the first spreadsheet. After that, place comma, go to second worksheet, and select its range of cells, and press enter. As you can see, you have received sum of cells from C2 to C3 in first spreadsheet and B2 to B3 in second spreadsheet. Notice the formula after comma, it starts with the name of the second worksheet, an exclamation point, and then the cell range reference on the other worksheet.